A very good morning to one and all present. Myself, Ms. Sultana, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Management Studies, belongs to SNS College of Technology. Today, as a part of lecture series, we are into the topic that is Introduction to Excel. And previous class, we were discussed about what are the advantages of using Excel and what number are that is what percentage of people are using Excel. And I said if we go for office people or administration purposes, nearly 20% of the people using, but for the academicians and we are using nearly 80 to 90% of the work through Excels and Excel, and if we consider with the drive, the Google Sheets. Yes. And last topic we were discussed about the what is the application, how can we use the Excel with regard to charting the data, and next topic was about the Excel, how it acts as a powerhouse. So we concentrated on 3 points, that is the wide usage and the purpose of business applications and for taking the strategic decisions. Widely used means the percentage of the usage. Business applications means how we are implementing it for data analysis, and with the help of the data analysis, how we are taking those key points. Suppose if you are testing the preference, we are taking the preference, and if I came to know that male is having the higher satisfaction level, and then I can move on to the strategic decisions. I am giving the suggestions to the company that if you concentrate on the male, the gender male sales, your rapport will increase, the customer satisfaction level will increase instead of concentrating on the female. This is the one inference. The second inference is, so the female are less preferring when it is comparing to male. So I have to get the feedback from the female group, and what is not, they are not satisfying, I have to collect those points and I have to submit to, and I have to give to the suggestions, and the company has to improvise and make the priority in making the satisfaction, in making the females to purchase their product. They purchase their product and prefer their product. So this is what it is helping out in the strategic decisions. Sorry. And another point, it is about the corporate standard. So when we talk about the corporates, so nearly 90% of the companies will definitely rely on Excel. There is no doubt in that. So they will use Excel macros. So that is called the advanced level of Excel. So next we will move on to the interface basics. So navigating the grid. So what are the interface which is applicable in the Excel? So first we will talk about the workbook structure. If you open Excel, there is a call in the if you see there is a different types of workbook. If we first click the Excel, that is called Excel sheet, and if we are taking the separate one Excel can be considered as one workbook, whereas we can create n number of sheets. Suppose if I am handling the class for 3 sections, see same business data analysis. For A section marks, I can have sheet number 1. For B section, I can have sheet number 2. Sorry. For C section, I can have sheet 3. Similarly, for assignments, for seminars, for other things, I can use separate sheets, but I can use only one workbook. That is called workbook structure. That is, we will call about sheets. And another thing, it is about rows and cells. Rows can be classified in this order, that is vertical, and columns can be placed in a horizontal manner, and cells. So if we call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and each number is called each cell. There is a quick access for quick toolbar where we can search or where we can enter the formulas directly. Instead, once if we enter in the particular cell, for example, if we have cell number C1, see the column is C and row is 1, so this is called C1. So if we have C1, if you are taking C1, then we can that if you type any formula in that C1, it is visible in the toolbar. And there are a lot of tools and quick help access is also available to us. Okay, this is the essential functions. We will discuss about the basic essential functions, that is sum, if and VLOOKUP. Let us look up this class in the next section. Next session. Sorry, next session.